Kamen Rider Wiki.
Hey YouTube, Dawson Rider here. This is essentially going to be an update to my SworDriver review slash a little mini review of essentially the Kamen Rider Blades sound version. As in the review, as per classic me, I completely forgot to scan this bit on the tip of the sword before I activated Blades sounds. But you know, it wouldn't be a Dawson Rider review without a mistake. But so long as I bring the facts, like that Q-Rangers, Blue, and Black Mecha do not become arms, Peter Pan is Rumpelstiltskin's evil dad, and the heavyweights references. I'm feeling skeety Tony. I got all bases covered. What do you want? But anyway, let's go over the actual proper sounds for these, or at least the main ones, just to give you an idea, and I'll link these all together. So I just have Lions on here now, but turn it on. What you're supposed to do is scan that so it's locked into the proper mode, and you can see the blue LED, so it does that. Now we'll sheath it up. And now we'll transform it. And also, something I forgot to mention, this I legit forgot, but this I did not know about, but there's like little indicators, which I'm surprised I didn't see, to show you where you put them in the driver. Like there were some of them I knew just from the show, and like when they show it where it's supposed to go. I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but they have indicators on there in case you're confused. Sometimes, even though I know it, I instinctually just want to put them together because it bothers me when there's a space in the middle, but you know, social distancing. Anyway, let's go ahead and do the sounds now. So he's got a different early 2000s cell phone jingle. All right, and now we'll do the attack sounds for this. It's kind of a pleasant ringtone. It kind of almost sounds like Sega Genesis music or something. Alright, now the pull-out version. And then of course it still does its scans. Now I'll just quickly do him with Dragon, and then I'll do all three of them together again. Whoops, almost forgot. See, that's part of the reason I forget. There's so many steps. Like, you gotta do it in a specific order, and you gotta get a permit. It's like, geez. And I'll just do one of their attack sounds. Okay, and now we will do all three of them together quickly. Let's hope they all pop out. Please, right guys? Because a wizard. Alright, so there is that. Again, sorry about that, guys, but I wanted to make this sort of a more complete review. Even if it's released in 2 parts, it'll eventually be 3 parts unnecessarily, like The Hobbit, probably. We'll have to see. But it doesn't really change my opinion on the belt. It's still kind of the same. I think it's actually a really fun belt to work with. A little bit clunky in aspects, and I said there are a lot of steps. There's a lot of steps to this one, especially for a small mind like mine. But it's not perfect, like I said in the main review, but it's quite a lot of fun, especially since I've had it for even a little bit longer since I filmed the review now, and I dig it still. It's not perfect, but I dig it. Anyways, guys, sorry again. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and climb the steps and ring that bell. Notifications for my videos. Dawson Rider, signing out.